Volvo this time have taken what people may think is the unusual steps, but from our point of view, the most practical and safest steps possible to keep us away from piracy.
It's still a bit of a secret about where we're going, so it's making it difficult for our strategy, but we know we're going to end up in the Northern Indian Ocean. So with the high pressure sitting under Cape Town, it's most likely that we're going to end up back in the Southern Ocean, and we'll come along in the south here under the high pressure system, and then we'll be heading up here, and I think we're going to end up potentially staying longer in the Southern Ocean because we're going to end up further to the east than we had previous. So
I guess, logistically what this brings in the last few months is, now we have to load onto a ship somewhere in this area. So we've had to get a cradle and our whole rigging system ready to accept the boat that gets loaded on a ship that goes to point A where we load them, and then that ship goes to the next step along somewhere close to Abu Dhabi, unloads the ship, and we continue the race from there. So it's all, so 80% of the race will be to point A, 20% of the race will be from point B to the finish. Most ships that go through there have armed guards on board because of this threat. Like, this is not a, as far as you talk about a prime target for piracy, we would be number one. They don't have many other options, which brings in acts of desperation. So,
and they've found that people are a higher value product than the vessels themselves, because people are paying ransoms, and now you can get ransom insurance, and so therefore there's a steady source of income.
Or they may choose to come alongside you if you're able to make that difficult by tangling their propeller, or at least provide. Piracy is a crime of opportunity. It is not one with very sophisticated targeting.
It's pretty much the entire Indian Ocean. Certainly on the longitude of southern India, it's a massive area, and in that area is where there seems to be the most violent piracy. That's the one where they're going for ransom. So if they think that you're going to give them a bit of trouble, then they'll rough you up to keep you under control. And they have shown that they'll shoot people if they're not happy with the situation, certainly if they feel threatened.
A lo mejor al amanecer pues viene a ver por curiosidad quiénes somos o qué hacemos, y se nos quedan mirando ahí con cara de, la verdad, alguna vez de pocos amigos. Una vez tuvimos que, desde Talo yo tuve que llamar a todo el mundo en cubierta. Era una de las cosas que en el curso de seguridad que nos dieron aquí en Ciudad del Cabo de piratería, pues nos decían, ¿no?, que si se acercaba alguna nave, pues que sacásemos a toda la gente a cubierta para que viésemos que éramos muchos, ¿no? Y bueno, lo hicimos una vez, nos llevaban siguiendo medianoche, al amanecer se nos acercaron, pero eran tres pescadores en un barco así bastante con mala pinta, y ellos también, y nada, estuvieron un rato mirándonos y se fueron. Tampoco saludamos, que eso es otra de las cosas que te dicen que no puedes hacer, tomar ningún contacto con ellos, pero bueno, no eran ni creemos que iban armados ni estaban organizados para ello. Gracias a Dios no hemos tenido nada. Pues eso, parar, meterlos en el mercante, seguir al siguiente puerto, descargarlos y volver a seguir regateando, pues algo que es diferente, y lo vamos a tener que sufrir todos, o sea que es algo que tenemos que gestionar de la mejor manera. Es un problema muy grande el de los piratas. Hay que tomárselo un poco, no a coña, pero está siendo un problema muy grande para los pesqueros y para todo el tráfico en general, o sea que para nosotros también va a ser un problema, o sea que para la regata, pues bueno, es algo que está ahí, y esperemos que salga todo bien, no hay ningún problema.
sure it's all this?
I will need some slab out